Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace the driver's side mirror glass on a 2011 Ford F-150. Begin by gathering parts, tools, and replacement glass, and position a soft cloth to protect the door finish. Carefully remove the inner trim panel, detach electrical connectors, and remove the mirror motor assembly if needed. Keep screws organized and take photos for reference to simplify reassembly and avoid alignment mistakes. In this video, I will show how to replace the driver's side mirror glass on a 2011 Ford F-150. Start by reclining the mirror and using a plastic pry tool at the bottom edge to gently unclip the glass from its backing plate. If the heater connector is attached, depress the clip and pull it free. Clean the housing and backing plate, then test fit the new glass to confirm correct orientation and clip alignment. In this video, I will show how to replace the driver's side mirror glass on a 2011 Ford F-150. Quick recommendation: if you want less time sweeping after truck work, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It glides under benches, follows voice commands, and handles pet hair with ease. I like how it frees up time for projects and cleanup. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace the driver's side mirror glass on a 2011 Ford F-150. After confirming fit, connect the heater wire and press the new glass onto the backing plate until you hear solid clicks. Reinstall the mirror motor or trim panel, then reconnect the battery and test mirror movement and defrost function. Make small adjustments to ensure correct viewing angle, and finish by securing all fasteners and cleaning fingerprints from the glass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.